What's the temp? 20?
Yeah.
That's alright, eh? Glenfarg. I'm on the wrong lane, so I've got a guy up my arse.
For some reason I thought we're turning right here. But it's not.
Yeah.
We're up here.
Gravel.
Oh, thank fuck for that. Ugh.
Ugh. Oh, a wee stretch of the legs. Oh, that was some run for Dundee, yeah?
It was a good day.
Aye. Fast.
Done it again. My shin's going to be fucked.
Yep. You're going to go home tonight and Gail's going to say, have you been spreading your legs?
Yes. That would be the answer, yes.
Zero, this is 1 for a radio check.
Over and out. Let's see what happens this time.
Aye. Well,
Sounds better already.
well, we've swapped the Cardos over, so you're back on your Cardo. I'm back on my Cardo. Yeah, see the sound, eh?
That sounds perfect. That might be what the problem was then, eh?
Aye, I think it was trying to connect, well, it was connected to your bike, yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Zero, this is 1 video check over.
Loud and clear.
I'm going the right way, aye.
I never looked at the sign.
Cardo, volume up. Cardo, volume up. Cardo, volume up. Set up.
Right, how's that?
Sounds alright, actually.
There you go. Let's maybe try to connect through the bike.
I mean, shouldn't make any difference to the fucking volume though.
You wouldn't think so, eh? But there probably will be additional settings to change and tweak to.
This isn't as loud as your one on here.
Is it not?
That.
Well, we maybe need to have a look at the controls on your app.
Weird.
On your app.
That is fucking weird.
Maybe need to have a look at the controls on your app.
There's nothing wrong with the car though. It's working fine on you, so
Aye.
it must be something to be set up.
Twisty roads.
Like these twisties.
Yep. I'll need to think about fuel soon.
2 bars, so I might put some in as well.
Aye. I'm 2 bars.
You're off all weekend, yeah?
Yep.
If I finish here and get back in, I'll be going for a blast at night.
Aye. The roads are rutted, man.
And it's a kind of touristy route, this bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
How to make money in there. It's in a holiday time.
Aye, they will in the summer, eh?
Get that lent over. We can go out once a week. We're probably out more than some people are. We've been out on a bike every fucking day.
I know. Well, the thing is, Alec, we're no fear to cover miles.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a Honda, that's on 11,000 miles at 2 years old. And I've done, what was on this when you got rid of it? About 11,000. No, it wasn't as high as that, was it? It was about 10.
I think it was about 10.
No, I've done 4,000 on this. And we only started going out in April.
Did actually, yeah. We've been out in March.
Might have been, was it March? When did we tax them again?
The fucking long johns and everything, I remember.
Aye. Was it March? I think it was April.
I must have covered some fucking miles over the years between cycling, motorbiking, fucking my job.
Tell a lie, I have been down this road, but heading back towards Perth.
I like these wee bungalows here.
Yeah.
I like my house though.
Because the house that I worked on, it was further down here on the left. But it was like away off the beaten track, eh?
And the motorways you stay, you can smell the fucking fumes.
Yeah, and there's a tunnel here somewhere, eh? Because we went to explore it one day. Aye, on our break, eh? Might be down there. Is that an old railway tunnel or something?
I like them.
That's new.
Underground parking, so that'd be ideal.
It's like that in most European cities, eh? Their apartments have got underground parking. I could stay here.
I haven't seen here.
Quite happily.
Oh, look at that. I didn't know they were there.
Aye, they're all new as well, eh?
Oh, fucking cracking.
Aye.
That's the Cooper Road, off the motorway.
Right. Super Cooper.
Stop here. Ooh, bit right there.
Just a bit, eh? That's quite a lean.
What's that?
That was quite a lean there.
I know. Right, so if I take that Bluetooth, your BMW Navigator not connected, I'll take it off.
Excuse me.
That just leaves me on. Why has you got two?
No idea. I've only got one. But you're on an iPhone, so you're fucking strange.
Right, you still there?
I'm still here.
Cancel that.
When you go into your Cardo settings on your actual Cardo app, make sure your intercom volume's at maximum.
Just disconnected it, dickhead.
Dickhead.
Fuck me.
Take this helmet off, get a quick vape.